Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is class 12th, subject education. Dear students, I am at school, but unfortunately, none of you have yet turned up. The time is running fast. We are approaching the end point of our class. So I decided to teach you make a video for you for today's class. Dear students, today our topic is characteristics of learning, or we can say what learning is. Dear students, let's try to understand what are the characteristics of learning. Number first is learning is adjustment. Dear students, an individual has to adjust himself to the ever-changing situation. So he has to be able to adjust to these ever-changing situations. Number second is learning is universal. Learning is universal in nature. All animals learn. Man is also an animal, but social. Dear students, learning is purposeful. It is third characteristics of learning. Learning without purpose is always unsuccessful. A strong purpose and definite aim leads to successful learning. Dear students, number fourth is learning is active. Children learn easily when they participate in the learning effectively. That is why learning by doing is always preferred. All methods of teaching emphasize active participation of the learner. Dear students, number fifth is learning is lifelong. Dear students, learning is a lifelong process. It starts with the birth of an individual and ends with death. An individual comes across new situations every now and then, which add to his experience all along his life. The student number 6 is learning is intelligent and creative. Learning involves interpretation of the situation and selectivity of the response. Intelligent learning will select intelligent response. Dear students, number 6 characteristics of learning is individual as well as social. Dear students, an individual learns by himself in the social setting or the social setup. So learning can take place individually, and one can learn from the concerned from the society in which he is living. Number 7th is learning is growth. Dear students, an immature child is developed into a mature person through the process of learning. So these are the characteristics of learning. In brief, I discussed these characteristics. I hope you would have understood this, and I hope you will play this video and repeat it again and again, and will write down the discussion in your notebooks so that you can be able to write it down if asked in the examination. It's all for today, dear students. I was waiting for you, but you didn't turn up. And I request you all to attend schools for community classes. Here we are. Time is running fast. Take the chance as a blessing and be at school, be in time, so that we can help you, we can teach you in whatever way possible. It's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.